Hello and welcome to a video using Lecenté Glitter by the FingerNailFixer. I'm very thrilled and excited to be the first guest artist to create some Lecenté tutorial videos. The Lecenté Glitter is made for the professional, so it has an amazing quality that's safe for client use, as well as being precision cut, and it doesn't bleed, which is so fantastic. For this design, this color is called Winter Wonderland, so it definitely brings to mind fun holiday patterns and creations. I have colored the nail with a gold color. You can use, naturally I'm using CND Shellac, however Lecenté is such an amazing product it can be used with any line. I'm going to put the glitter into this cured layer of gold. You could put it over silver, you could put it over a solid red. This design is extremely versatile and it's just to your personal preference or your client preference what colors you choose. I'm just really pressing the glitter in to make sure I've got good contact with the nail, and then I'm just going to take my brush over and burnish. Burnish is simply a fancy word for rub it in circles. It just lays everything down. And then I'm going to go around the edges and knock the glitter out of the edges so that I'll be able to get everything sealed in with top coat when we get to that step. Once I've got the margins cleaned out and the glitter burnished in, I'm going to move the glitter over so it doesn't get knocked over by accident. That's always sad. And then I'm going to use a clear type color and do a very, very thin layer right over the top of the glitter. Once I have that nice thin layer applied, I'm going to come in with a stylus. You may call it a marbling tool, a dotting tool. They're all basically the same, a little metal ball on the end of a little metal stick. And I'm just going to start creating a beautiful swirl pattern. So I'm going to just pick a starting point and wrap my tool around and off an edge somewhere. And see how that bottom color is coming through. I'm just going to pick another location and do the same thing. Now here that I've created some swirls in the center, I'm going to kind of come up around the edges of the swirls and make a little line to just add to that decorative feel. You could create circles, you could create squares, any type of shape and design. The fun thing about the swirls is it really gives it an ornamental feel. And since I do now have a wet layer of color, I'm going to cure that for as long as your product is recommended to be cured. Then you can top coat that and your design is finished. Hope you have a great time with the Lecenté Winter Wonderland.